How to make Instagram private account. You can easily convert your public account into private account. Method is very easy and simple. First step is open your Instagram account, then click on profile icon. Here you can see this is my public profile Instagram account. To convert into private account, just do some setting. Here you can see three dot option. Click on. After clicking setting and privacy, select this option, and here you can see all information of your setting and privacy. Scroll down this page. Here you can see who can see your content. Let's see account privacy, and just on this setting you can easily convert your public account into private account. It means no anyone or any other your follower cannot see your any post, videos, reels. And let's see my easily convert my public account into private account. This is the simple process. If you want to change into private to public, just off the setting. If you want to watch all other Instagram tips and tricks video related to Instagram account, kindly check our channel playlist and also check channel description. If you want to any other video, just comment your feedback. If you like this video, share with friend. See you in the next video. Goodbye.